Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Luna Classic video update today. So Luna Classic, I talked about it some few days ago and I told you that this is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and so far we've lost the trend line. We actually came back here again, got a little bit of a manipulation, but I told you that the better stop loss was going to be somewhere up here, because if you do come up to take that stop loss, then it's going to be bad. And based on the TA, we pretty much came to the target right there. So that's like a 9% gain. Anyone who took the trade, congratulations, that was pretty amazing. But keep in mind that I still have this another technical target. And this was a target that I uploaded back some few days, couple of weeks ago, that you do have this symmetrical triangle and you're looking to come down. Now in the middle, you still ended up coming down, pushing to the sideways, and eventually still, this I couldn't predict for you, but the thing is that this target still was pending. The only way you could have invalidated that target is to actually come above and break this symmetrical triangle, and I actually talked about this whole scenario, that you're going to break this, you're going to backtest it, and then you have good chances of moving to the upside. Now one thing is, we are approaching the 7th month, actually the 8th month, which is August, and slowly, I do remember 2 months or 1 month ago telling you that it's going to take time, it's going to be boring, and I do expect a bottom by September, okay, if not August, that you are very, very, very close. And if I do turn on the logarithmic scale right there, this is a very perfect falling wedge. Now, I do think it is not a bad idea to have a bloodbath like this with a bullish pattern like that, combined with a lot of development going on behind the background, because Binance is kind of supporting Luna Classic developers. Every single day there's news about developers of Luna Classic, even though the prices are not pumping, but the chart patterns on the weekly are extremely bullish actually. Okay, this pattern is a pattern that is known as a bottoming pattern. Okay, falling wedges are reversal patterns to go back up, simple as it is. That's just what the book says, not me. And we still have a big technical target down here. This is a monthly bear flag I'm talking about, okay? And so far, once again, this is stretching even until October. The falling wedge is stretching a lot, even potentially to the end of the year. Okay, we still might be looking at another couple of months of boredom, and come down and down, touch this trend line, touch this technical target, and just pick it up from here. Now, I am actually thinking for some reason that if I do end up seeing, this thing coming to this technical target, I might consider throwing in a little bit of money for the long term. I do actually support the long term idea. I don't really trade Luna Classic. If you want to know what I trade, the private channel is opened up, and we can it's going to be closed for the next 6 days. I mean, it's only opened up until the end of the month. If you want to join, do join. And that's where I'm actually trading a lot. We've actually been up 130% this month so far. So I'm looking for August. I'm looking for new visitors to come, get a little bit of profit out there, have a nice experience. Hopefully I'm doing all the work, so why not just have a try? And this is all about Luna Classic, okay? And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.